Now we are going continuity chapter. Level 2 we will start problems. Since level 1 very simple problems. Level 2 will start with little different subject oriented problems here. So f of x is equal to very big function on e power x minus 1 whole power 2n by sin power n of x by a log of 1 plus x by a whole power n. That is problem. Okay. For x naught is 0. 16 power n when x is 0 means f of 0 value. If f is continuous, what is a value? Function is very big. Okay. Log of 1 plus x by a whole power n. Now you see here we use results from limits. First result, limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta or theta by sin theta is 1 standard formula. Here angle and denominator both must be same. First result. Next, limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x is 1. Next, limit x tends to 0 1 plus x power 1 by x is e. These are the results. Okay. Here also these two places are same. X 3x 3x, x by 2 x by 2, ax like that. These are the results from limits useful here. See, this is from this. X is there, its denominator, this x is missing with this power. So first arrange numerator, e power x minus 1 by x whole power 2n. So what is extra we are writing? X power 2n. Multiply, divide. Next for this sin theta by theta, theta by sin theta. Already x by a is here with this power. So x power n by a power n by sin power n of x by a, x power n by a power n. Multiply, divide. Next, here this result we are using in the place of x, x by a. Okay. So 1 by x by a we are arranging. For that, here multiply, divide first. X by a 1 by x by a log of 1 plus. Why? Because later I will take this to power rule. We know in logarithm log of x power n, n log x. Then this will take to power here. All these things we are doing under this power n. Now, you decide the values. What is this value? 1 over. What is this value? Theta by sin theta. Okay. How it is 1? Combined power here, x by a by sin of x by a whole power n, that is meaning. So this is 1. Then here x power 2n, x power n, 1 x power n cancel. This will go to numerator. X power n, a power. Now, in the denominator, this term right outside, x power n by log of now it is clear, this result. This is 1, means E. When base is not mentioned, means in throughout calculus it is base E. Log E base E 1. Power n even no problem. Then here x power n cancel. Again this will go to numerator. Overall what is we are getting final answer? Adjustment only. It is not the reason that we are doing any calculations or solutions. How you will adjust into standard forms? Finally you got limit value of this function a power 2n. Since f is continuous, okay, since f is continuous, limit extends to 0, f of x must be f of 0. What is f of 0 value? 16 power n. So a power 2n is equal to 4 power 2n. 16 means. Now it is clear. What is a value? 4. So finally, what is our main idea in the part of solution here? How you are arranging these places? 3 results. Then answer. Here he is giving ABCD 16 to 8 to 4 like that. So that is about first problem. Okay. Second. So makeup it is confusing only reason because at a time you are using 3 results. These 3 results at a time we are using. First this is given, which denominator is missing. We are arranging multiply divide under this power. Next sin power n theta. Sin theta is there, denominator. Theta is missing. X by a is missing. Under this power means x by a whole power n. Multiply divide. This is 1. Here we have only 1 plus x. It's 1 by x is missing. Directly you cannot do here because it is logarithm. First multiply divide here, then it will go to. This is like n log x. So second problem is f of x is equal to x power a cos of 1 by x for not 0. Is 0 when x is 0 is continuous at 0, then a negative, a positive, a 0 greater than or equal to 0. These are the answers. Okay. Here, last time I gave one conceptual level one property is x sin of 1 by x. Sin of 1 by x is a finite lies between two boundaries, a finite number. Like that, cos of 1 by x is a finite number. Outside multiplication is important. Outside x power something. Okay. Suppose x value, a value, if you consider an example, a is 1. If a is 1, x into finite number. As x tends to 0, this is 0. 1 means x square, x cube, any power it is 0. This is true all these numbers. Okay. If it is 0, a power 0, 1, nothing is there. Only cos of 1 by x as x tends to 0 will be infinite. So, we cannot consider. Next, if it is negative, x power minus 1, infinite, also not possible. With all these things, what is our final observation? A must be false. Theoretical only it is. Simply concept level. So second problem, A is positive. Answers 0 not possible. Greater than or equal to 0 not correct. Only greater than 0 is correct. So theory based question. Third problem is very important. Compulsory, it is old problem, but it is there in almost in all other books also material. Okay, see, f of x is x into 1 plus a cos x minus b sin x by x cube non-zero is 1 when x is 0. Find the values of AB so that f of x is continuous. That is problem. Important. Continuous where they are asking, understood? Where it is domain breakup given? At the 0 only. It is very clear. Otherwise there is no meaning in the question. At 2, 1 or minus 3 they will not ask you. At 0 only they will ask you. Given that it is continuous. Since fx is continuous at 0, therefore limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. What is f of 0 value given? 1. Now you see. Suppose if you put x0 possible, 0 by 0 form. So 1 is equal to x tends to 0, x into 1 plus a cos x minus b by x cube. Is 0 by 0 form. Immediately, what is the procedure you can do? Apply L'Hopital's rule. Means differentiation. Here, what is first term? Actually, x, a into x cos x, b sin x by x cube. Now you see, what is its derivative? 1, UV rule, product rule, cos x derivative minus sin x, cos x into x derivative 1, sin x derivative cos x by 3x square. Good. Okay. Already you know differentiation, product rule, product of two functions. Now you see. Here, if you write in the order, where is finite to, where is infinite to, if you rearrange it, What is here rearrangement I will tell you is 1 minus ax sin x plus a cos x minus b cos x by 3x square. Here it is common. 1 minus a minus b into cos x by 3x square. Okay. Problem is here. Where is the problem? If I write like this, split the denominator. Since the answer is 1, find it. If you take the limit extends to 0, danger. This is danger. Okay. Problem is here as extends to 0. This is okay, find it. You are able to get finite answer as 1 only when if this is absent. Okay. If this is missing, you are getting answer. How to say it is missing? 1 plus a minus b into cos x as extends to 0 is 0. That means a minus b is minus 1. One equation. Okay. Now, again continue. Because it is as extends to 0. Okay. As extends to 0. 0. We are getting indeterminate form. Continue differentiation. Further, because the problem is 1 plus see x multiplied a x cos x minus b sin x, x derivative 1, a constant, UV rule, x into cos x derivative minus sin, cos x into x derivative 1 minus b sin x derivative cos x, 1 minus ax sin x plus a cos x minus b cos x. Here again if you put x 0, 0 by 0 form, still we can continue. Suppose if you continue again differentiation. Now you see 0 minus a into x cos x plus sin x minus a minus b sin x whole by 6x. Okay. Whole by 6x. Now you see here minus a x cos x minus a sin x minus of a minus b sin x, denominator I will separate by x by x by x, outside 1 by 6 because it is outside. Is it defined? X cancel here, cos 0 1 okay. Here sin x by x is 1 also defined, also okay. This is also defined, hence we are now writing 1 is equal to, okay, 1 is equal to minus a minus of a minus b, minus a minus a minus a plus b minus 3a. Finally we are getting one more equation. Solving these two equations, sir. See, a minus b minus 1 minus 3a plus b is 1, right? So adding, subtracting calculations. Therefore, A is equal to, here answers also I will write. What are the options I didn't write down? Now you see, I will give you here A, B, C, D are given. Actually by 6 is there. Okay. Whole by 6 means cross multiply 6. 6. What are the answers I will put here A, B, C, D? Since they are asking you A only, B only, here I will show you. 5 by 2, 3 by 2 first. Next 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Minus 5 by 2, 3 by 2. All combinations only he is writing. Now we have to check. Now we got two equations. We are solving. Cancel B. Minus 2A. 5. A is minus 5 by 2. Substitute minus 5 by 2 here. Is B. What is implied? B. Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 3 by 2. So, where you have these answers, you check. Third option. Yes, definitely it is a big problem. Why it is a big problem? Because it is a reverse problem. Reverse models. Hereafter you are getting reverse problems throughout in all the chapters. What is concept of reverse problem? Now I will tell you. Generally when you read a question, they will ask you values of unknown. Unknown values they will ask you. Then that is called answer. Whereas sometimes they will give one question, answer is there for you. This question contains unknown values A, B, C, D. That unknown values they want such that its question and answer is given to you. Okay. This is definitely possible in matrices and determinants also. If the inverse of the matrix is equal to defined sum, therefore what is unknown values? Similarly, determinant is given what is unknown values. Like that, here continuous given. Find A and B unknown values. So called reverse model. First, this is our 0 by 0 form. Immediately we are writing differentiation method. UV rule. Okay. Product rule. Indeterminate form means. Then we are arranging the terms. Since it is left side one number is given finite. This also should be finite. There are two places. One is finite quantity, other is infinite quantity. This infinite quantity is missing. Then we are safe. Therefore, remove that. Okay. Then we are getting. Since it is again in a 0 by 0 form, again continue differentiation. UV rule. Okay. Here. UV rule. This I wrote. Now it must be equal to 1 because finite number. As extends to 0, all are finite numbers only. 6 is there already. Cross multiplied. Solving equations. What is this question? Third question. Answer is 3 only. Minus 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2. See that much concept. So it looks very big, but standard problem. They cannot change. Even answer is easy to remember. Out of all these options, answer is possible to trace. Once if you do starting method, first method. Now you see this is very simple. Fourth one. A square cos square x plus b square sin square x for x is negative. E power ax plus b, x is positive. F is continuous. then ABCD. What is that given? Answers. He is asking some relations. What are the relations it is given? 2 log mod A, B. Twice log mod B is E. Log A is 2 log B. A equal to B. That means according to ABCD, what is observation? He is asking some relation between AB only. But since f of x is continuous, therefore limit x tends to 0, f of x is f of 0, implies left limit is equal to right limit. Left is equal to right. What is next? X left limit x tends to 0 minus means what is that? X tends to 0 but x less than 0. F of x is equal to 0 plus means x tends to 0 only but x is greater than 0. When x less than 0, what is function? X tends to 0, a square cos square, b square sin square is same as x tends to 0, what is x power to e power ax plus b. Now put x is 0, exist or not? Cos 0 1, sin 0 0. That means a square is equal to e power b. By definition of logarithm, what is b value? Log a square base e. Is one answer is finished. But because of logarithm power rule here, we can multiply. Log a is square means mod a square. Strictly log must be positive. The log is defined for positive. So a cannot be negative. Since a square exists because a can be negative. Since log is defined, a cannot be negative, so I put modulus. This is also one possibility in getting answers. Therefore, ABCD, what they are writing? See first option. Simple. Logarithms compulsory, we need properties problems sometime. Okay, we will explain in between later, like that only. So in this way, we will do some more problems in this chapter in the level 2 only. Little bit concept oriented also we are getting. So next class we will continue these problems. Level 2 only. Level 3 onwards we are not doing for other students, and only in the case of IIT students they can further continue practicing. Okay. Next class I will do other problems.